All right, so I just returned from a listing appointment. I thought this would be a great opportunity to go over some things that I recommend to sellers, probably at the bare minimum. Obviously, it could be property to property. Some things that I always recommend is professionally cleaned, unless you're just a complete neat freak. Another thing is 99% of the time, decluttering a little bit, and it could be just removing a couple items. It could be removing a lot of items. Touch-up paint could be another one. One that I like to do is actually making sure that the entrance is super inviting. Education, and that falls more on me as a realtor, is to make sure that I can go over as many points as possible before we go live and try to break down what we're going to do and what the goal is and setting ourselves up for success. Let me know in the comments if this helps, anything that I might have missed, or maybe suggestions as well. But if you're thinking about selling in the Charlotte or Lake Norman area, I'd love to help you navigate this crazy market that's always changing. So send me a message. Love to hear from you. Thanks.